Would you like to add an extra layer of security to your AI workflows? Well, let me show you how. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and like I mentioned, you can protect your account and sensitive data with two-factor authentication, or 2FA, a powerful security feature that helps prevent unauthorized access to your AI-powered tools and information. By enabling 2FA, Jotform requires users to verify their identity using a second authentication factor beyond just a password, ensuring enhanced security for your AI interactions, form data, and sensitive business workflows. Jotform's two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your AI-powered workflows, preventing unauthorized access and safeguarding sensitive data. This requires double verification through your password plus a unique verification code that's going to be sent to your device, like the Authenticator app, before account access is granted. 2FA helps protect user accounts, AI interactions, and confidential information from cyber threats and unauthorized logins. And it's as simple as that. If you have any questions about 2FA with your AI, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.